Hello guys. So now I will be present my web-based real-time notification system. I will demonstrate how my real-time notification system works, focusing on the back-end implementations and message flow using RabbitMQ and socket input-output. So, system overview. This system follow a producer-consumer architectures. It consists of uh, a Node.js server. You can see Node.js server, RabbitMQ as the message broker, and the socket IO for real-time communication. So the goal of this web base is to send messages to a queue and deliver them instantly to connect clients. So um, first na kung imoon is the server established a connection to RabbitMQ using the AMQ-PLIB library. So ako lang siyang gi-download ganina, but sorry, di ako siya ma-show ambot asa ni siya pangitaon. AMQ-PLIB library mo ni siya, so nagkuan siya og package JSON and LAN JSON na ni siya. And also we use a AMQP connect localhost bitaw 3000, and then this creates a connection to the RabbitMQ server. So then we create a channel, as you can see, server JS. So we create a channel const queue notifications. So next we declared a queue using channel assert, where at channel assert queue notifications mo na siya. And also this ensures the queue exists before sending or receiving messages. So next is the producer is implemented in the post route send. When a request is received, the receiver takes the message from the request body. Then it sends the message to RabbitMQ using channel send to queue. This publishes the message into the queue. At this point, the server acts as the producer because it is responsible for sending messages to the broker. So next is the consumer is implemented using channel consume. This function continuously listens to the queue. Whenever a new message arrives, the callback function is triggered. Inside the callback, the message is converted from buffer to string. It is logged in the console, then processed for delivery. This makes the server act as a consumer as well. Next is the real-time delivery. After receiving the message, the server sends it to all connected clients using socket IO. Then we use IO notification message. This pushes the message instantly to every connected browsers. This is what enables real-time communication. So the complete flow. To summarize the process, a message is sent to the server, and the server publishes it to the RabbitMQ. RabbitMQ stores the message in the queue, and the consumer retrieves the message. The server broadcasts it using socket IO. Client receive the message instantly, then makita siya diri sa terminal, and later I will run this system. So this ensures reliable and asynchronous communications. So the system also includes error handling. If RabbitMQ is not available, the server retries the connection after a few seconds. This makes the system more stable and fault tolerant. So now I will open the system. So now mag-create mo siya tag new terminal para so now as take note take note na ang kani siya ang server G is combine na tanan diri ang consumer, producer and the server na dili tulo gi-combine na siya diri ag code tulo na lang sakit ko so node server GS there's another wait lang server so let's continue so now so i-open ako ang website and run so wait na so as you can see the server running at HTTP localhost 3000 using the AMQP and connected to RabbitMQ. So now I will click this link, the localhost. So this, as you can see, muna siya, and then after this, wait lang. After this, if you type a message, hi. So the RabbitMQ receives a message hi or receive niya sa terminal sa VS Code. So hello. So that's how this web-based notification works. So these implementations demonstrate how to use RabbitMQ for message queuing and Socket.io for real-time updates. So it shows a scalable and efficient way to handle communications between systems. So now thank you for that is the backend implementation and process for our notification system. And thank you for watching.